Hi and welcome to another arm workout you can do at home without any equipment. This workout will target your biceps and triceps. Let's start.
Wish I could tell you why. Wish I could feel you again, but I know it's too late and I know you're away. There's a chance to apologize. No. It's a goodbye, just a goodbye. Forever and ever, you never come back. Just a goodbye, forever goodbye. I sit in my ride, thinking about you. Drive through the night, I got nothing to lose. Strobe city lights, they can tell me the truth. Tell me what I should do, I got nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose, thinking about you. Drive through the night, I got nothing to lose. Strobe city lights, they can tell me the truth. Tell me what I should do, I got nothing to lose. I sit in my
Let's have a break. Three, two, one. Start your exercise.
got so many time pass by. I saw you last time. This is my last ride. I wish we gonna see us on the other side. This is my last ride. On the other side. It's a goodbye, just a goodbye. Forever and ever, you never come back. Just a goodbye, forever goodbye. I sit in my
Let's have a break. Three, two, one. Start your exercise. Let's have a break. Three, two, one. Start your exercise. Let's have a break. Three, two, one. Start your exercise.